Hello everyone, and today I want to show you that my Windows 10 and my system is attacked by a virus. The virus is ransomware, and right now everything is working. I can still run my programs, and here in the Windows security it's all protected and it's all fine. But yesterday when I run one of the programs that is cracked, the virus was installed in my Windows and it was restarted and it was installed in my Windows system. So immediately I had to delete every virus. My protection here, virus and threat protection settings, was full of the virus and the level was very high. So I deleted everything and I set up OneDrive backup. So now everything is fine, but it's a late for most of my files on the Windows. So here, if I open the local disk C, I had this text document. This text document is in every folder. So if I open this, it says, attention, don't worry, you can return all your files. All your files like pictures, database, documents, and other important are encrypted with strongest encryption and unique key. And the message is going down. I will blur the email and some messages here, so in case that something goes wrong. Okay, if I open the Windows 10 Teams folder, you can see that all these files was in zip folder or rar folder, but now they are in some text document that I don't know what kind of the file it is, and I have the same message, readme, and if I open it, it says attention and the same message goes on. So it's the same with other folders. Like you see, I can't open any of these files. Okay, that is the virus, and I don't know, not of the all files was affected, but most of the files that I had on the local disk C is affected. So like you see, I can't open anything. It has some weird uh, file format that the Windows can't recognize, and all my files are encrypted. And what they want for me to pay the program that will decrypt everything what is encrypted in this system. So that's how it goes. I wanted to share with you. Be careful, do not run any cracked program, do not open any emails that are suspicious to you, and I don't know, before you do anything, be careful, because it will happen something like this. Okay, what I will do now, I will just simply format each of the local disks. I will format and I will just install a new Windows and start over again. So that's it. I wanted to share you to be more careful on the internet, and I hope that you will be good. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Okay, I am back and I installed new Windows, so I need to get start everything from the start. So basically what I did, after virus attack of ransomware, I uploaded every file that is not affected into the OneDrive so I can download it again, but maybe 10% of my files was not affected by ransomware, And after that, I format each hard drive that I had on the Windows. And basically, I install the Windows again, and that's it. And after installation, I have immediately made account on OneDrive, so everything what is important, I upload it, and nothing stays on my computer. I know this was a lesson for me, and I wanted to share with you to be more careful. Do not download anything what is free, and that's it. And also after attack, I have immediately changed every password on online account, so YouTube account, Facebook, and other accounts that I had, and I basically just format each hard drive and reinstall the Windows again. And I'm starting everything from the start, and that's it. See you soon. Bye.